Hello everyone. Today I will teach you how you can make a chatbot on n8n totally free without any payment. You don't have to pay for API keys. It is totally free. So stick with me and I will teach you in less than 5 minutes. Chatbots are one of the most important uh, things we consider nowadays, which are used on different websites, and are used for different purposes in healthcare, in engineering, XYZ. So they become an important part of our lives these days. And I will teach you how you can make them totally free. So first and the far most important thing, you must have an n8n access. Currently, I am on my n8n localhost, and I will teach you how you can use n8n localhost. Or if you are on n8n cloud, it doesn't matter. The process will be the same. So let's start. First, we drag an AI agent node. AI agent here. Here it is. Now you will see I have added AI agent node, and the chat message node is automatically added. So it is an AI agent node. Open it. Fine, it's fine. I don't have to do anything. Now, as I claimed before, it will be totally free. For that purpose, we use chat model. There you will see that there are different chat models, and all of them are asking for API keys, and different models have different payments. But the model I am using will not ask for your API key. In fact, it's free, and you can use for your own research purposes, for your personal. You can also train that model as well. Here you will see that Groq Chat Model. Click it and add it. You will see that I have added this Groq, and for memory purposes I will add simple memory of n8n. No need to change anything, just do it. For if you want to use Groq, then you have to make a an account on it, which is free. You don't have to pay for it. Good. Groq, Groq, Groq API. The very first one, Groq. Okay. Okay, you will see that I have already made my account on Groq. But you guys have to make an account if you don't have. And it's free. It will not ask anything. It will not ask you about your bank accounts. It will be totally free. So as I have my account here, I will just go towards API keys. Here you will see at the top API keys. Press here. I will make an API keys in front of you so that you can better understand it. Create an API key here. Let's suppose I name it chatbot. Chatbot. Okay. Verify I am human. Yes, I am human. Okay, very fine. And submit. Well, it has generated API key. I will blur it in the video as well. And after copying the API key, you will add that API key in this chat model. Press here. API key. Add it. Save. And it is testing. It's successful. It worked. It is configured. Okay, it is showing some errors. Error fetching option from Groq Chat Model. Why? Let's see. Okay. And okay. Okay, let's chat with it. Let's see what it says. Okay. Bad request. The model is not available. Okay. We will use Llama 3.18b instant. Thank you. Save it, and it will work now. Let's say we say hey. Okay, it responded. Great. It seems like you are in chatty mode. What's on your mind? Do you want to talk about something in particular or just have some fun? I want to have some fun. Let's see what it says. Okay, let's have some fun then. We'll play a game, have a chat about a random topic, or even create a silly story together. What sound entertaining to you? So the purpose of it is that it is working. It is working very fine. If you want to make your personal projects, if you are a student and want to make your personal project and you're professional and want to update it, then you can train this Groq model as well. I will teach you in future how you can train it. There are plenties of ways to train it. I will just give you a quick overview how you can train it. You will see that in the very last fine tuning. You can fine tune it and you can specifically use that model according to your use and totally free. So you will see plenty of other videos on YouTube. They will teach you active ways and they will extend their videos that they are making a chat bots XYZ. There is no difficulties in making chatbot. It is totally free and easy way. So thank you for watching my video. The purpose of my videos is to teach you guys how to automate using n8n and how you can use it in your daily life, and even you can generate revenue from it. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like the videos, subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.